my name is Orhun. Today I will explain how to make a calculator with Python language. Let's get started. I use these two lines to load library to Python. I have defined a function called press function. The function works like this. When you press the button, it goes to press function and perform the calculation in this line and keep the values entered by pressing the button in the variable. After that, assign to the result and print it right here. I defined another function called error. This code separates it two parts. One is try, one is accept. If the mathematical operation that we do first part is equal to a valued value, we use it to print it right here. In the second part, if it is not equal to a valid value, a text appears on the screen that prints the error like this. The clear function throws an empty string on the number written on the screen, so we reset the calculator here. In this section, we have defined some functions that I use in the calculator. These functions works like this. Firstly, we have to define an empty variable and put an integer number in it, like this. Second, process the variable we put a value into with the necessary function in the math library. We put the value in here and print the result on the screen with the results dot set variable command. Right here we print it on the screen. For example, I will try to explain how to logarithm function works. I have defined a new variable named log right here and assign a random integer in it, then put the value in here into the math.log library. With this time my log variable change with the output of the math.log function. With the result.set command, we printed the final value on the screen here. In this part of the code, I determined the appearance of the calculator. I opened a new window with window equal to tk command right here. I set the background color of our screen with this command. I put my calculator name here. I set the dimension of the calculator here, and result place variable shows the entered value and the results. We use grid commands to create buttons here. In this part of the code, I have adjusted the positions, name, colors, and the size of the buttons. We draw the buttons with the grid commands, same as the before. I set all buttons like this. This is the background color, this is the height, this is the width of the buttons. Let's Let's run the code. For example, ln2. Firstly, we have to press 2 and after that ln. Let's check if it's true or not. Yeah, it is true. I will explain how to ln function works. Firstly, we define a value number is 2, and the calculator put on a variable into the logarithm variable, and log variable into the logarithm function, and change the value of here, and after that result.set function prints the value on the screen, and I pressed ln, and this is the result. Thanks for watching me. See you next time.